Are you really planning to go gym? I'll say don't go. But since you're not gonna listen me, so just listen what I'm trying to say. Just listen why I'm saying you to not go gym. Because even though you're going gym, you are motivated enough. But trust me, none of you who's going gym will see result if you go without knowing this. So please listen this, then decide that do you really have what's really take to go gym. No matter how much effort you do, you're gonna end up with no result, and just by wasting your time, wasting your money, but trust me, you ain't gonna get result. So you must watch this video and then ask yourself, do you really have what's take to make a body, to make some changes on you? So this is the reason that all of you will go gym, won't see result, and will give up soon, and all of your money on that gym equipment, like a bag, whatever money you spend on that money, your time, whatever you wanna spend out there, all gonna be wasted, if you don't have this and then you go. That thing is, why you wanna go gym? Why you wanna go gym? Means why all of the sudden today you decided to go gym? Why? Ask to yourself, why today you decided to go gym? Why you didn't go before? Why you not going after 3 years? Why you wanna go today? Ask to yourself, just sit back, ask to yourself, why you wanna go today? Why didn't you go before? And if that why is not strong, then trust me, no matter you wanna go, just cause today you saw one handsome guy, or today your girl dumped you cause of one bodybuilder. So if you going gym for the temporary reason, okay, if the feeling, if that motivation is temporary, then trust me, that temporary motivation, I call it fake motivation, okay? If that temporary motivation motivating you to go and do gym, then trust me, that temporary motivation, that fake motivation will last only 10 days. The moment you will go gym, in 10 days, 15 days, or let's suppose say 1 month, you will realize that this gym is not your thing. Then you will try to talk yourself out of it and you won't do gym. Do you know, every single month, 100 or more than 100 people go to gym. They take admission. By the end of 2 months, out of 100, only 10 or 15 last. You can go to any nearby your gym and do inquiry from the gym coach or whoever is the owner of that gym. Just go and do inquiry. You will see the registered. When I go on gym, I saw the 500 or 600. My number was on 600, but nobody was coming in gym. Every single time I was going, I just used to see 10 or 15. So that's what I'm saying. People get motivated, right? Okay, like suppose today you saw one movie. Okay, like suppose if you were in India, suppose you saw Salman Khan movie or John Abraham movie. So you are too much motivated enough, you wanna be handsome. You thinking that if I'll be a bodybuilder, then I'll make a girlfriend and all this thing. So if you are going gym just cause you saw Salman Khan movie, that motivation will last only 15 days. Gym is something, gym is something that you won't get result unless you do it for constantly 1 year. This is very slow process. Making muscle is very slow process, okay? And trust me, if you are really motivated by all this bullshit reason that you saw Salman Khan movie or you are motivated by John Abraham movie, trust me, after 1 month when you will be going gym, when it will be being broken, then do you know how you're gonna talk yourself out of it? The next movie will come of Ranveer Kapoor, who has no body. Then you will talk yourself out of it like, it's okay, we don't require body, just do dieting. That's what happened. So find yourself the good reason that will motivate you for eternity, okay? That will give you the reason, because if you're planning to go gym for 6 months, 7 months, what's gonna happen? Going gym for 6 months, 7 months is just like suppose you got 70 years, okay, of this life. Why do you wanna look good only for 6 months? So out of 70 years of your life, okay, that is the average life we got in this earth, right? So let's suppose out of 70 years, you just wanna be looking good for 6 months, 7 months, after then what? You don't wanna look good? So don't go gym unless you wanna be in this environment, Look, money is not the reason that you will be continuing your gym. If money was the reason, Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in India. Have you seen his body? Have you seen his means he doesn't take care of himself. So even I'll be giving you 2 crore rupees per month, you won't be going gym. Gym is something, it comes from inside, You cannot just go just because you have money, you have time. You cannot go gym and you cannot just do that effort. Okay, if you are a lazy ass, trust me, you cannot do gym. Okay, so if Mukesh Ambani is ugly and his stomach is coming out, that means money and time is not the fact, because he has billion people walking under him. He has full time, but he ain't doing gym. Or you can see all those strugglers in Delhi, Mumbai. They don't have money, they don't have time, but still they have body. That means the only thing you need to go gym, to bring changes on your body, is the strong reason why you wanna do it. Do you wanna continue in this line? If yes, then do it. If no, then don't do it. Let's not make me give you a number, because I have met with numerous people, those who gone gym, did 1 month, 2 months, and if you are too much motivated, 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, you ain't gonna get any result. Gym is something till you won't do for minimum 1 year with full consistency, you ain't gonna get any result. You just like, you are burning your time, you are burning your money, but at the end, you will end up with no result. Even though suppose you have done 5 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, but when you will leave gym, you will go back to as you used to be. So ask to yourself, talk to yourself, why you wanna do gym? Why? Are you gonna be continuing for eternity? If no, don't go. Because you will go gym, you will look good for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, after then what? You will go back to being ugly. First, ask to yourself, is this what you want? If yes, then go. You must find a strong reason. You must find a strong reason. You can do gym without gloves, without towel, without costly bag, if you have a strong reason. People, those who have a strong reason, they making body with a stone. And trust me, those motherfucker rich people, they have gym in their home, but they're sleeping their ass off on sofa, but they ain't making their body. They're just letting their stomach be out. That's what I'm saying. Find a strong reason. Find a strong reason, only then you can do gym. I hope you're understanding. Think of it before you go gym and waste your time.